Alright, so I'm pretty sure I hit a bird. Alright, so Riley and I went for a little walk this morning, hence the fact that I look very terrible right now. But we are here at Habitat, and we are going to go in here to see if we can find some furniture to repurpose. Now, sometimes I find stuff at Habitat, but most of the time, you guys know, I do find things at the Goodwill. That's my fave spot. But we're going to come in here. We're going to see if we can find some furniture to repurpose. So let's go.
I just want to hold you. I just want to look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make.
All right, so I spotted this nice white entertainment center. It was $175, and when you repurpose furniture, you don't really want to buy that high for something like this. So I had to pass. I'm not having any luck with finding anything, not even anything for like staging my pieces and stuff with. So today is just not a good day for thrifting, I guess. So I might check out the Goodwill that's close by my house, but I know normally they don't have anything. So we'll see. Let's keep on going, y'all.
Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are.
All right, so we've made it to Goodwill. About to go inside.
You are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
All right, so this Goodwill had these creepy dolls. I cannot stand these plastic porcelain dolls. They're so creepy. Thank you, Insidious. Thank you, Annabelle. I'm officially scarred for life. Okay, so we had some slight success. I got that mirror. That was only like $4.99, and then, well, actually it wasn't the mirror because the mirror was missing, but it's like the mirror frame. And then I got that green lamp. If you guys saw that, I got that lamp too. So we had some success in that Goodwill. And that Goodwill was nice too, by the way. All right, so I'm pretty sure I hit a bird. I feel terrible about it, but like it just came and like swooped down, and like all you heard was, well, it didn't sound like that, but I know that I hit that bird, and I'm really sad. Oh my gosh, I hit a bird.
Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason.
So we took a trip to this new Dollar Tree. I was super excited to go. They had so many things there that my other Dollar Tree never has. Like what? These deep wood off repellent. I mean, seriously, they had so much stuff. I was super excited.
The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night.
Guys, this is the first time I saw nautical rope inside a Dollar Tree. That is sad.
You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay, honestly, the Dollar Tree by my house never has this contact paper. How cute are these LED candles? I've never seen these before. They had lemons, watermelons, flowers. Okay, so I thought these were the cutest things ever for a kid's bathroom. They had the soap dispensers, the dish soap, and the toothpaste holders for only $1. So cute. I also spotted these super cute cups You can design your own. These would be so fun for kids, and they had all different kinds.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay, so just gonna let y'all know that I'm filming 2 things like in the same day. So I don't know when I'm gonna actually upload this one, but it might be in the same week that I upload the other one. So if you're like, why is she wearing the same thing? Why does she look the same? It's because I filmed the same stuff in the same day, within the same, yeah. Okay, anyways, so for my thrift / Dollar Tree haul, I never really got around to actually showing you guys what I actually purchased that day. So I was like, I'll just do it today since I'm already filming. So yeah, let's go. This is the stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree, and in the video I told you guys that I went to a new Dollar Tree and they had like so much good stuff, and they look like they're always gonna have so much good stuff, and I like never knew that they were right there. But anyways, I'm like totally always gonna be going to that Dollar Tree. Like I don't even care that it's almost maybe 40 minutes away from my house. But anyways, so the first thing that I got from there was this super cute bank, I guess, like a piggy bank, but it's not a piggy. Okay, anyways, I don't know, a bank, I don't know. So they had so many different ones. I showed you, you know, they had the shopping one, like one for vacation. Then they had this one, and I really loved the type on it. The fonts, the type, you know, whatever, the fonts on it. So that's really why I got this one. It has the money in the back, which is cute. That's cute. Now this is cute. It's cute by itself, but of course, you know, I'm gonna do this in a DIY, and I'm gonna make this a rustic farmhouse, maybe shabby chic styled piggy bank. And I don't think I should say piggy bank because it's not a piggy. So we're gonna change this into that. So I'm really super excited about that DIY because I think that'd be fun. Then, of course, I have not seen these. I don't know if you guys have them in your Dollar Tree, but I have not seen these in a long time at my Dollar Tree. And so, of course, I had to get one. And I actually think this is broken. Or is this how it's supposed to be? I think it's missing a chain. But anyways, I picked one of these up because I wanted to make a chandelier from it. But I don't even know if I can because I think this one is broken. I don't know. So then I got some more of these jars, the homemade jars, because I'm thinking I'm going to make like solar lights out of these. So that's like farmhouse style solar lights. So that's gonna be another DIY. Hopefully they work out. I don't know. I think they might be too large to make solar lights, but I don't know. So I'm gonna try those out. So now I officially have 4 of these, and we're gonna see how those work out. So that's all the stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got from the thrift store, which is not that much. And I actually might just show you like some stuff that I've just genuinely been piling up from thrift stores. So let's go out into the garage. All right, guys, so these are some of the things I have gotten over several weeks of thrifting. So I got this table from Goodwill, of course, and it came with those 3 legs and these chairs. Don't quite know why it came with these chairs because it's not gonna be the same height. So I don't know what that one is about, but anyways, I got 2 chairs with it. Then I got this small side dresser here, or end table, and then I got this. It was a stereo, but I guess they took the stereo out, and it has these 2 panels here. It actually has 4, but these 2 slide. And this is gonna be in one of my repurposing videos, of course. And I still have this one that I have not gotten started with. You can't really see it, but I should have been finished with this, but we had like a huge mishap happen in our garage, which I'll probably do a story time video on that because it was really crazy and it was a furniture flippers nightmare. All right, so anyways, earlier in the video, you saw that I got this lamp here. It did have the lampshade, but it was like a plastic lampshade, kind of like this one, where it's like you don't even need it. So I just took it off and just purchased the lamp itself, and it only cost $5.99. Then this one I got from Habitat for Humanity, and of course I don't really need this part, or actually I could keep this part because it's a working lamp. Both of them are working lamps, but I think I'm just gonna just change them into either like candle holders or a cake holder or something like that, because I know a couple of you guys have wanted to see some thrift store flips like that. So I'm probably gonna do that with these two, not quite sure, but I know for a fact that I'm gonna do it with that one. And then I love me some lanterns. So I got this black lantern from Habitat for Humanity, and then I got this brown lantern in the back from Goodwill, and like that one was $4.99 and this one was $3. So those were good purchases. And I'm trying to think about what else that I got, but I think that's about it that I got from the thrift store, because you guys have seen this other stuff. All right, so that's the end of my haul, my Dollar Tree / thrift store haul. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.